Being a content creator here at Drone Nerds, I get to see a wide variety of cool enterprise drones. But people often ask me, what drone do you use to film your videos on these enterprise drones? Well, in this video, I'll explain my 3 go-to consumer drones I use to capture all my content and the reasoning behind it. On the table here, we have my top 3 go-to consumer drones that I use for filming every day. We have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and the DJI Avata 2. Now, I believe that each of these drones excel in different areas, so depending on the shoot of the day, I'll grab whichever drone is best suited for the situation, sometimes 2. But overall, I use these 3 drones the most. Now let's first talk about the Mavic 3 Pro. It features a 4/3 CMOS sensor with 20 megapixel Hasselblad wide camera, a 1/1.3-inch CMOS 48 megapixel medium telecamera, and also a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor 12 megapixel telecamera. So no matter what I need for the shoot, there's 3 different cameras to choose from. So let's talk about color profiles. I shoot in full manual D-Log-M color profile so that I can apply the Rec 709 LUT that you can find for free on DJI's website. This gives me the maximum flexibility in post-production, allowing me to really push those colors and really make them come alive for all you drone nerds out there. The Mavic 3 Pro features up to 43 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and great wind resistance, since I'm often flying near the ocean. This drone is my go-to for everyday shooting. Next, we have the Avata 2. Now, besides this drone being super fun to fly in general, I often film in close proximity to trees and indoors. The Avata 2, with its propeller guards, gives me that confidence I need knowing that if I bump into something, this drone's just going to keep on going. With up to 23 minutes of flight time, I have more than enough battery to get the job done. With both downward and rear-facing sensors, I can be certain while I'm in the FPV goggles often flying backwards, I won't get myself into any trouble. The Avata 2 features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS 12 megapixel camera with 10-bit D-Log-M color mode, once again allowing me to utilize LUTs and push colors in post-production. This is my go-to drone for anything requiring FPV flight. Last but definitely not least, we have the Mini 4 Pro. The reason for this drone is I often travel, and when I travel, I also bring along with me lots of equipment. The compact size of the Mini 4 Pro lets me take it anywhere I go, and honestly, I don't even feel the weight in my pack. I just throw it in a backpack along with my camera gear, and I have a compact powerhouse that doesn't take up much space. With a 1/1.3-inch CMOS 48 megapixel camera and up to 34 minutes of flight time with a standard battery, this drone also features D-Log-M color profile as well. And utilizing the free LUT from DJI, this Mini 4 Pro is really impressive and portable, making it my go-to for travel. So what drone or drone combination do you use for filming? Let me know in the comments. If you'd like to learn more about these 3 drones, maybe do some shopping with us here at Drone Nerds, click the links in the description. Also, if you have any questions or just want to say hi, let us know in the comments too. Thanks for watching today, and like I say in every video, happy flying!